In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect LEGO account to Fortnite PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your LEGO account to your Epic Games account that you use to play Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. This process must be done through the website, so instead of going inside of the game itself, go to Fortnite.com through a web browser. In here, you will be able to sign into your account, so choose the option to sign in if you aren't logged into your account already. And once you sign into the account, click on your name and go to Connect Accounts. You will be redirected to a page where you can see all of the platforms that have been connected to this Epic Games account. And you can notice that you can connect different platforms like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and then LEGO at the bottom. So all that you have to do is choose the option to connect your LEGO account. You will have to confirm that this is the Epic Games account that you want to use, because you can only connect one LEGO account at once, so make sure that it is correct, and if everything looks okay, go ahead and click on Connect Account. This will now redirect you into the LEGO website, where you can finish setting this up. So if needed, choose the country that you reside in, and then input your date of birth. After that is done, they will ask you to confirm your credentials, so your email or username and then the password. You can also sign in using Facebook, Google, or your Apple account. And of course, you can create a new account if you don't have one. Just input an email address that has never been used. And after you continue through this whole process, you will be able to get this done. After you finish this, it is going to be available for you to manage under Apps and Accounts, and the account is going to remain connected unless you remove it manually. Remember that you can only have one account connected at a time, so it's important that you choose the correct one that you want to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a LEGO account to Fortnite PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.